Welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing it to fill your belly. Then your chest. And gently release. Again, a deep breath in, belly, chest, release. One last time, deep breath into the belly, into the chest, and let it go. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Begin to soften any areas of tension in the body. Let everything gently melt. Now, without effort, begin to think the mantra aham in the quiet space of your mind. You may also choose your own familiar mantra if you prefer. Let the sound be light and like a feather resting in water, faint, effortless, almost thinking itself. Aham. No need to force, no need to resist. Simply allow. If your mind wanders, notice it kindly and return to the mantra gently, easily. Whatever you're experiencing, simply allow it. I'll let you know when it's time to return. Without opening your eyes just yet, let go of the mantra now. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the stillness. Let yourself rest in it. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and gently release. Begin to move a little, wiggling your fingers or stretching if it feels good. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back.